Dramatic advances in technology over the last few decades have led to tremendous improvements in all aspects of life. But humanity still faces a host of complex challenges: environmental quality, the production of clean energy, water supply, and human health. The solutions to these challenges lie in breakthrough scientific developments and technologies. The Faculty of Mechanical Engineering is working to develop solutions to these challenges, at the forefront of research and technology, and with a constant eye towards the future. This is our mission, to harness science and engineering for the good of humanity.
I head the Microfluidic Technologies Laboratory. One example of our work is in the field of medical diagnostics. Lab on a Chip is a vision that we are part of that aims to take large-scale chemical and biological laboratories and reduce them to the size of a small microfluidic chip, such that a nurse or a doctor in their office would be able to take a sample and get the result right there on the spot. The ability to achieve point-of-care diagnostics is an important enabler towards personalized medicine, which we see as an important part of healthcare in the 21st century.
In our faculty, an interdisciplinary approach is the name of the game, because that's where the future of research lies, connecting experts from different fields of research to create breakthrough outcomes. The faculty's researchers bridge robotics with medicine, translate fundamental physics into optical applications, create advanced materials, and develop smart control systems.
In recent years, photovoltaics became the most cost-effective energy conversion system. What is missing is the ability to store this energy in order to get day and night solution. And this is what we do. We invented a concept that is based on material that absorb the solar radiation and emit low energy photons. We have a unique system that doubles the total efficiency, and by our calculation, the cost of such a device may be 66% of any other technology. And my dream is to be part of this global change.
It's no coincidence that the Faculty of Mechanical Engineering is developing a robot that's activated by the power of thought, a mechanical system that improves heart activity, advanced robots that can overcome physical obstacles, nanoscale parachutes that monitor air pollution, and advanced technologies for smart and energy-efficient buildings.
We have demonstrated mechanical communication, that is the ability of cells to sense and respond to mechanical forces generated by their neighbors. We were able to modify spontaneous beating frequency of cardiac cell using a mechanical cell, that is a device that mimics the deformation that are generated by a beating cardiac cell. The physiological significance of this phenomena is that while the frequency of cardiac cell beating in the heart is determined by pacemaker cell, mechanical communication is required to synchronize the phase of cardiac cell beating, and therefore is essential for synchronized contraction of the heart.
About 40 faculty members working in 3 research centers and in over 35 laboratories teach and train the next generation of mechanical engineers in a variety of degrees. These include 900 undergraduate students and 400 graduate students, comprising the faculty's most valuable asset.
It's very important nowadays to develop next-generation water technologies that are more available to first and third world countries, and that can do water desalination and treatment at lower cost and selectively. And so we're developing a technology called capacitive deionization, which meets this criteria, and that we hope is going to form the basis of next-generation water treatment and desalination technologies.
Many startups have emerged from the faculty, and they too are committed to providing technical solutions to social, economic, and environmental problems. Companies such as Mazor, which was sold for $1.6 billion. The company developed a robot that assists with complex back surgeries and saves the lives of many patients around the world.
We at the Faculty of Mechanical Engineering are seeking the best and brightest students. Students who have the scientific curiosity, but also the drive of an engineer to take this understanding and leverage it toward creation of new tools, new capabilities that no one has ever done before.
The Faculty of Mechanical Engineering at the Technion continues to be ahead of its time with groundbreaking research initiatives. We will continue to train our students for diverse, engaging, and fulfilling careers, and to develop future technologies for the benefit of Israeli society and for all of humanity.
Good morning and welcome everyone. Today is a very special day for these brilliant young minds gathered for the 14th Nadav Shoham's Robotraffic competition, taking place both at the Technion Israel Institute of Technology and online. This is a competition where high school students from all over the world will come together to showcase their skills and creativity in designing and building robots that can complete different missions of complex traffic scenarios. The objective of this competition is to promote STEM education, innovation, and teamwork. The students are required to use their knowledge of physics, mathematics, and programming to design and build robots that can move safely and efficiently through the simulated traffic environment. The competition will be divided into various categories, and the robots will be judged on their design, functionality, and overall performance. The students will have to work together as a team, solve problems, and make strategic decisions to achieve success. We are honored to have some of the best and brightest minds here with us today for this remarkable ceremony. I would like to pass the microphone over to them, our distinguished colleagues and partners, who will be sharing their insights and expertise with us today.
Welcome to the 14th Nadav Shoham Robotraffic competition. We welcome all participants, those who participate face-to-face and those who participate through the internet. The show must go on. We continue to invent, to educate, and to compete despite all the hurdles, being it physically or virtually. We are watching closely how Robotraffic graduates pave their way in the high-tech world. We see the advantage of getting to know how to combine mechanical engineering, computer science, sensors, and machine learning into a one working system. This is the ultimate goal of endless high-tech systems. We therefore believe that the next generation leaders will grow from the finest competitors of Robotraffic competition. I would like to thank our partners for the contribution to this amazing project: the Faculty of Mechanical Engineering at the Technion, the Leumi Robotics Center, the International Earth Organization, the World Zionist Organization, NVIDIA, and the YTech Foundation, of course. Good luck to all of you.
Hi everyone, my name's Dan Green. I'm WorldOrt's Director General and CEO, and I'm delighted to send my greetings to everyone at the 14th Nadav Shoham Robotraffic competition for 2024. WorldOrt is of course delighted to be associated with such a prestigious competition. For more than 10 years we've been involved with it, and we're very proud of our association with the Technion, with the Leumi Robotics Center, of course led by Professor Moshe Shoham and Dr. Evgeny Korshnoi. We really value this relationship, and it's so important for us every year to be able to send our students from Israel, from overseas, from the former Soviet Union, across Latin America, to compete in this prestigious competition. And especially at this time, following the tragic events of October the 7th, that we have this opportunity to show unity amongst the Jewish people, that we can come together to compete but be part of the Jewish people together. It's so important that we have that opportunity, and I want to congratulate everyone for your participation, wish everyone good luck, and Am Yisrael Chai.
Hello everyone, my name is Eran Rosenberg, and I am an Inception Partner Manager at NVIDIA, leading the robotics and automotive startups in Israel. I would like to welcome the Robotraffic community globally and congratulate all the competition participants. Today you are making a statement to the world and joining the world's effort to create a breakthrough in the robotics industry. With nearly 3 decades of singular focus, NVIDIA is an expert at accelerated software and scaling compute. Accelerated computing is a full-stack challenge, demands a deep understanding of the problem domain, optimizing across every layer of the computing. This is why we are building platforms from the hardware to the software with a laser focus per industry to bring the easiest tools to develop great products. Developing autonomous machine is a highly complex task and is built from the compute system that is connected to different sensors that can calculate the perception around it and provide a robot's localization. Upon this basic understanding, the robot needs to run its planning control system and taking into consideration other robots by the ability to communicate with them. This flow is being supported by NVIDIA and include also the ability to create synthetic data to train different AI models, simulate different scenes, and test the robot's behavior, run multiple AI models in parallel, and all to be able to mimic human behavior and be heard. The NVIDIA Jetson platform is the most advanced hardware available to support all the robots' requirements. NVIDIA Jetson is being used by more than 1 million developers around the globe, from students like yourself to researchers, startups, and large corporates. It is the foundation of autonomous machines. Let's hear some of the most innovative companies around the globe talking about autonomous machines in the last CES event.
It's really important to look at the automotive industry today. Lots of things are changing. Cars are becoming software-driven. What was impossible to do previously because computing wasn't strong enough is now doable. This is an enabler for the progress of the autonomous driving industry. The direction is clear. It's all going to autonomy. It's just a matter of time. And where is the right focus?
Autonomous technology requires immense computing power in order to really understand the world around it and make the safe driving decisions. We need to be able to sense the environment in a precise manner, and we need to fuse all of those sensors in a much more performant computer. How do you translate technology, innovation into something that is enhancing the experience of the consumer? We wanted a platform that has a lot of computational power. We wanted a platform that has a track record of being deployed in automotive industry. This is what NVIDIA can give us. NVIDIA makes best-in-class hardware accelerators, and I think it's going to play a large role in the AI development for self-driving going forward. The partnership with NVIDIA enables us to go further, to bring automated driving to the next level and into areas that we couldn't go before. Driving as a routinary task is tedious. We want to alleviate people from the burden of driving to give back the time. NVIDIA is the backbone of our AI engine. Our Pulsar 3 sits on the NVIDIA Drive platform. This is, of course, very much based on AI technology. It's really fascinating, and a complete new era for the car. The Drive platform has been incredibly helpful to be able to actually enable autonomous driving capabilities as well as enhance safety capabilities on vehicles. To be able to have an opportunity to save as many as 100 million lives and 100 trillion hours of people's time over the next 100 years. Everything that we do at the company rolls up to that. We partner with NVIDIA to get the best compute that we can. More compute in the car means that we can be more aware of the environment around us and reacting earlier and being even safer. Knowing that it's in vehicles worldwide and saves lives on the road each and every day, the impact that you deliver as you keep people and families safe is amazingly rewarding. We have been leveraging NVIDIA's technology first and foremost on vehicle to power the Zoox driver. But we also leverage NVIDIA technologies in our cloud infrastructure. In particular, we do a lot of work in our simulator. Simulation is crucial for the development of autonomous systems. It is much more effective for the development and comprehensive verification.
I believe the ecosystem is coming together. You look at the impact, it's huge. I couldn't be happier. The combination of all of this is now helping the industry to move forward.
I don't think that the car industry has ever been as transformative as it is today. This rate of technological development in this industry is unprecedented. Our modern world is driven by technology, and yet we face tremendous challenges. Technology is the answer. We have to solve the major issues so that we leave
a better place for our children and our grandchildren.
NVIDIA GTC event will be held on March 18th, and it is a great way to catch up with the latest and greatest around AI. The GTC begins with the keynotes from our CEO and founder Jensen Huang, followed by a variety of sessions and talks with experts from around the world. As you can see, guys, you have been taking one of the world's most complicated challenges, and for that, I wanted to personally congratulate you and wish you good luck. And most importantly, do not forget to try and enjoy the ride powered by AI. Thank you very much.
This competition is being organized by the Technion, Israel Institute of Technology, a world-renowned academic institute that has been at the forefront of science and technology education for over a century. The Technion is known for its cutting-edge research and innovation, and has produced some of the brightest minds in the world of science and technology.
Shalom, my name is Chaya.
And I'm Simon.
Welcome to Technion.
What does it mean to be part of the Technion community?
Being Technion means being part of the engine that drives Israel's entrepreneurial and innovative spirit. It means making our everyday faster, smarter, and better. Now more than ever, we can see the necessity of coming up with creative solutions as we all have experienced the global COVID-19 crisis. Technion has strong values to make the world better, as it's in a country born with little resources. Israel has had to provide creative and resourceful solutions, not just to survive, but to flourish. And Technion was and is an instrumental part of that achievement.
Israel's great success has led it to be named the Startup Nation, the country with the greatest number of startups per capita. Technion's graduates are a major part of the high-tech industry workforce in Israel. Over the past 20 years, Technion graduates have opened more than 1,600 companies, generated more than $30 billion, and created over 100,000 jobs for those in Israel.
Many of the biggest names in technology and innovation have made Israel their home to search for young talent, including companies like Microsoft, Google, and Amazon. Apple has only one other R&D center outside the US, situated in Haifa, Israel, intentionally located near the Technion campus. Technion graduates are significant movers and shakers in the market both in Israel and abroad. This includes developers in Alzheimer's medicine, Amazon executives, predictive data mining, and founders of life-changing technology. Technion graduates are inventors, leaders, and pioneers.
Technion's perusal of knowledge and learning has opened the opportunity for Technion academics to push the limits of their fields. 4 Technion professors and alumni have won Nobel Prizes. As a world-leading university, Technion's global influence has grown with our international connections. This includes 3 campuses worldwide in New York, China, and of course, in Israel.
At Technion, we help students reach their potential. This means providing students with the personal attention necessary to help them explore their full capabilities, including small classes and professor relationships. This means preparing the students for future challenges and global trends.
Robotraffic competition is being held in memory of Nadav, Shoham, a former Technion student who was a passionate advocate for STEM education and an avid robotics enthusiast. Nadav's love for robotics inspired him to create a robotics club at his high school, and he spent countless hours mentoring and guiding his fellow students. Nadav's life was tragically cut short, but his legacy lives on through this competition and the countless students who have been inspired by his passion and dedication. So, as we begin this competition, let us remember the spirit of innovation, creativity, and teamwork that Nadav embodied, and let us honor his memory by working together to create a brighter future for ourselves and for generations to come. Without further ado, let the competition begin. We wish all the participants the very best of luck and may the best team win.